which one earns the most. So our learning goal is to calculate the interest on 2 or more investments and determine which earns the most. To do this, you're going to need to know how to calculate simple interest on an investment, compound interest on an investment, and then be able to compare between 2 or more. A principal is invested $1,000 of $1,000 is to be invested for 3 years. Determine which is the better investment option. So we've got $1,000 in which is going to be invested for 3 years. Now we're going to invest it. We'll look at what the calculation is for these 3 different options and see which one is the largest. Okay, let's look at option 1. Option 1 is 6% simple interest. So for simple interest, I use the formula I equals PRN to find the amount of interest on that investment. So $1,000 times by 6% times by 3. And that gives me $180. But that's just the amount of interest earned. So the total amount in that account will be the $1,000 plus the $180 of interest, which will give me a grand total of $1,180. Okay, so that is the first option. Let's look at the second option. Now the second option is 5.9% per annum compounded annually. So because it's compounded annually and it's a 5.9% per annum rate, they match up, so we don't need to change anything. So we just literally will take our R to be 5.9% and our N to be 3. Because it's compounding every year once for 3 years. So substituting into our formula for compound interest is this one. $1,000, 1 plus 5.9% to the power of 3. And that gives us a total of 1187.6484. In dollars and cents, that is $1,187.65. Okay, that's option 1 and option 2 done. Let's see the third one, so then we can compare. Okay, so the third option is 5.85% per annum compounded biannually. So that means twice a year. And so our rate is going to be halved. So divide by 2, so 5.85. Percent divided by 2, and then our N is going to be doubled, so it will be 2 times 3, which will be a total of 6 periods altogether. So let's substitute that into our formula. A equals $1,000, and we've got 1 plus 5.85% divided by 2 to the power of 6. Okay. Let's calculate that. And we get 1188.8451, which is equal to $1,188.85. So, which of our investments is the best? If we just compare those three values, we can see that earning 5.85% per annum biannually will give us the best result. So option is the best.